Alright, the next activity for the phone app is for when your contacts start to get real full and starts to be an unwieldy list. There is a way that you can pull out your most common contacts and stick them in the favorites icon. So over here, right in the middle, here we have contacts. We're going to select a contact. So keep in mind that this contact has two numbers. So you'll have to pick which one you want to select when you add to favorites. So scroll down and click add to favorites, and it pulls up whether you want to message them or call them. So you go ahead and have to choose between the two, and you also have to choose which number you want based on which one you want that favorite to be. Now when we click on favorites, we see right here at the bottom we have my messaging, which I didn't really want to do. So I can get rid of that by just swiping. That deletes the favorite. Go back to the contact, hit add to favorites, and now I'm going to select call, and which number? The phone. Now when we go back over to favorites icon, here it is here, Chris phone. I click that and it starts calling them right away. So I'm going to go ahead and erase these numbers by swiping. You can swipe all the way or just swipe part way. Now we're going to add a few more favorites by hitting this plus at the top of the favorites. So we're in favorites, hit plus, and it pulls up your contacts. Go ahead and select a favorite. Do you want to message them or call them? Go ahead and select the one you want. We'll choose message. And now anytime you want to message that person, you just click that and you're ready to go. Click favorites again, click that, boom, you're already messaging them. So it's an easy way to get over to the message app. You just click that favorites, type your message, and then go back, hitting that tiny arrow. Alright, let's do that again. We're going to scroll across here and go back to favorites and then hit the plus, and now we're going to add another favorite. Select the person. Do you want to message them or phone them? We'll go with call, and since they only have one number, it gets added automatically. Hit edit at the top, and those little lines on the side mean you can drag to position them the way you want. So go ahead and drag that to the order that you want by dragging along those lines and then hit done. Now we have three favorites. You can also delete them by hitting edit and then hitting that minus button, or you can swipe to delete. Hit plus again. Select a contact. We're going to call, and we're going to select iPhone. Now we have four favorites, and you can see each one is whether it's a message or a phone call, depending on how you set it up. And it's a real easy way to be able to find the functions that you need rather than going to the contacts, searching that long list. Just click favorites. Alright, so the next section is about voicemail, and that's this icon on the far right. Go ahead and click voicemail. Now to select a voicemail, you can see your list here. You just click in the open space and it pulls up more information. You have speakerphone, callback, delete, and you can even share the voicemail with someone by sending it to them. If you hit that speaker here, it'll play it out loud, and then you hit the little triangle to get it to start playing. Once the voicemail finishes, you can hit the speaker button again, if I can hit it with my big fingers. Take it off speaker. And the other thing you can do if you have a voicemail selected is just hold the phone up to your ear. That way you never have to hit that little play button. If your voicemail is selected like this, you can just hold the phone up to your ear and it'll start playing automatically. Click a different voicemail, and here you have the same thing. Click away and click the voicemail again, and that's how you navigate those. So to delete your messages, you can hit edit and select them, or you can swipe them, or you select it and hit delete.